Homeopathy is completely safe.
Okay.
Any homeopathy would be safe. Homeopathy is an energetic form of medicine, and all of your homeopathic remedies, if they're true homeopathics, are actually diluted to a point where there's no molecules left of the substance that they started with. So it's completely energetic. Yeah, homeopathy is safe and a wonderful option because you don't have to worry at all about having it complicate any sort of existing disease process, or interfering with any medications that you may be on, or interfering with pregnancy, obviously. So wonderfully safe. I find homeopathy works really, really well in some people and not very well in others. So whether or not it works for you sometimes comes down to whether you're just the personality that it works for, and making sure that you make the good choice, right? Make the appropriate selection in terms of the remedy that you're taking, because if you take the wrong remedy, worst case scenario, it does nothing.
Right.
So you have to choose the right remedy for it to work for that symptom.
Right.
But yes, totally safe to take during pregnancy and breastfeeding and in your infants and newborns, and works really, really wonderfully for babies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what sort of things would you recommend homeopathy for in terms of the side effects or discomforts of pregnancy?
So we have homeopathics that are great for morning sickness. However, I don't know why they call it morning sickness, because for a lot of us it's all day. So lots of homeopathics for morning sickness. We have homeopathy that we can use for constipation, for pain, joint pain, back pain, anything like that. Homeopathy really is a whole system of medicine. So you can get a remedy for pretty much any complaint. But the big ones, yeah, it addresses insomnia, for your babies, teething, colic, anxiety. I mean, there's something for everything, because it's a whole system of medicine in itself.
So for babies, have you found homeopathy to be very effective for colic?
I find that with homeopathy, for most babies, it works really well. The difference being that you have to take it often. You have to take it more frequently. So, for example, we used a combination for teething. And I found it worked really well to take the edge off and get our son to sleep, which in a lot of cases was enough, right? He just had to get asleep and then it wasn't a problem. During his waking hours, I felt it helped, for a couple hours, but every couple hours we were giving it to him. But works great. It really, I mean, it's a wonderful tool and safe.
Okay.